tayo bago tayo stress dyan. Pag-usapan natin ngayon ang tungkol sa atin. Hello mga ka-business-minded. Magandang araw. Ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon ay how to identify a profitable niche for your online business. Step 1. Start with your passion and skills. First, think about your interest and expertise. Ano ba ang mga dapat na passionate ka or magaling ka? Building a business and a niche that you enjoy will make it easier and more sustainable in the long run. For example, kung mahilig ka sa fitness, pwede kang mag-focus sa health-related products or services. Step 2. Research market demand. Check if there's a demand for your niche idea. Use tools like Google Trends to see if people are searching for your topics. Pwede mo rin i-check ang Amazon, bestseller, or sa Shopee, or to see trending products. Remember, kung walang demand, walang sales. So make sure your niche solves us a real problem or fulfill a needs. Step 3. Analyze the competition. Now, research the competition. Look for other businesses or brand in your choosing niche. Too much competition might mean it's saturated, but no competition might means walang market. Kaya hanapin mo ang balance. Look for gap or opportunities where you can offer something unique or better. Step 4. Validate your idea. Before going all in, validate your niche. Paano? You can create a simple landing page and see if people sign up for more information. Pwede ka rin mag-test ng Facebook or Google Ads to check kung interesado ang target audience mo. Validation is important para hindi ka mag-waste ng time and money. Step 5. Focus on long-term potential. Think long-term. Huwag kang mag-focus sa mga short-term. Short-term trends na mabilis mawala. Your niche should have staying power and room for growth. For example, kung mahilig ka sa sustainable living, you can build a brand that aligns with eco-friendly products. Something na patuloy ang demand. So, to recap, start with your passion, research market demand, analyze competition, validate your idea, and choose a niche with long-term potential. Remember, finding the right niche is the foundation of a successful online business. Kaya simulan mo na today. If you want more tips, just comment below